Imagine a car so powerful that it shook the very foundations of drag racing. A vehicle born from a humble family sedan, yet bred purely for the racetrack. On the surface, it looked ordinary, but hidden beneath that unassuming exterior was a monster waiting to be unleashed. In the early 1960s, Ford engineers began a secret mission. Their goal was simple but bold: take an everyday midsize car and turn it into the ultimate drag racing weapon. They chose the Ford Fairlane, a car meant for families, not racetracks. What followed would become one of the most legendary chapters in American muscle car history. To create this machine, Ford stripped away everything that wasn't absolutely necessary. Comforts were removed without mercy. Steel components were replaced with lightweight aluminum and fiberglass. Anything that added weight but not speed was thrown out. The result was a lean, aggressive racing machine that looked simple but performed like nothing else on the strip. In 1964, Ford officially introduced the Fairlane Thunderbolt, a car that redefined what a muscle car could be. This wasn't just fast for its time. It was shocking. Under the hood sat a monstrous 427 cubic inch V8 engine, originally designed for Ford's full-size Galaxies. This powerhouse produced an incredible 425 horsepower, an almost unbelievable figure in 1964. The Thunderbolt could rocket from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds, at a time when most family cars struggled to keep up with highway traffic. But raw power alone wasn't enough. Ford engineers went to extreme lengths to reduce weight. The back seat was completely removed and replaced with a simple package tray. The front seats came from Ford Econoline vans, lightweight and basic. Carpets were tossed aside, leaving bare metal floors. The hood and front fenders were made from fiberglass, and plexiglass replaced standard glass in every window except the windshield. Even the window cranks were eliminated, replaced by simple pull straps. All of this weight reduction resulted in a car that tipped the scales at roughly 3,200 pounds, incredibly light for a midsize vehicle of that era. One of the Thunderbolt's most unforgettable features was its front end. To feed the massive engine, Ford engineers cut 2 large openings into the front bumper, funneling air directly into the carburetors. It wasn't elegant or pretty, but it was brutally effective. This car was built with one purpose: to win races. And win it did. On the drag strip, the Thunderbolt was nearly unstoppable. It could tear through the quarter-mile in as little as 11.6 seconds, crossing the finish line at around 124 miles per hour. That made it faster than almost anything else in its class, including many dedicated race cars. In competitive racing, the Thunderbolt dominated the 1964 NHRA Super Stock season. Legendary driver Gas Ronda piloted his Thunderbolt to championship victory, cementing the car's place in drag racing history. What makes the Thunderbolt even more remarkable is that it was technically a production car. Ford built just over 100 units, barely enough to meet homologation rules. Each one was hand-built at Dearborn Steel Tubing, a specialty shop responsible for many of Ford's racing projects. The price was around $3,780, nearly as expensive as a Corvette at the time. Buyers were warned that this car wasn't meant for daily street use. It was a race car, plain and simple. Basic features like a heater or radio were optional, not standard. The Thunderbolt's reign was short but unforgettable. By 1965, rule changes in drag racing made the car obsolete almost overnight. But in its brief moment, it changed the game forever, pushing the limits of what a production-based race car could be. Today, surviving Thunderbolts are among the most valuable and sought-after muscle cars in the world. They represent a time when manufacturers were willing to take extreme risks, building cars so focused on performance that legality was almost an afterthought. The 1964 Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt wasn't just a car. It was a statement, a legend, proof of what happens when engineers are given free rein to chase speed at all costs. What started as a simple family sedan became one of the most iconic drag racers ever built, a true American muscle car in every sense of the word. And that wraps up our deep dive into the legendary 1964 Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt.